Have you ever wanted to make your Google Slides presentation more engaging by adding voice narration, background music, or even sound effects? The good news is Google Slides makes it simple, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. This makes sure your work is saved to the cloud so you can access it from anywhere. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your existing presentations. To keep things clean, let's create a brand new one. Click on the blank option or the plus icon to open up a fresh presentation. Now that your new presentation is ready, look up at the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down list, you'll see different elements you can add, like images, charts, and text boxes. This time, choose Audio. Here's something important. Google Slides only lets you add audio that's stored in Google Drive. So before you reach this step, make sure your file, whether it's narration, background music, or a sound effect, is already uploaded to your drive. If not, upload it first, then come back here. Once you select your audio file from Google Drive, it'll appear on your slide as a small speaker icon. You can drag it anywhere on the slide, depending on where you want it to sit. Clicking on the audio icon will bring up formatting options on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust playback settings, like whether the audio should start automatically when the slide appears, or if you want to play it manually during your talk. You can also control the volume, loop the audio so it plays continuously, or even hide the icon while presenting for a cleaner look. These settings give you flexibility, whether you're adding a soft background track to set the mood, recording a full voice narration for a self-running slideshow, or just dropping in a quick sound effect to keep your audience's attention. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Google Slides can now include audio, making your presentations more dynamic, memorable, and impactful. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who's working on their next big presentation. And don't forget to experiment with different audio options. You'll be amazed at how much better your slides can become.